Hey guys, happy Sunday. This is going to be kind of a another serious post here, and I don't like any drama in my life, but unfortunately, a large portion of my family feeds off of drama, and all they want to do is cause drama. And if you have a family like this, I feel bad for you as well. You know, I wake up every morning and I try to do the right thing. I always try to do the right thing for everybody involved in my life, whether they're a family member, a friend, a acquaintance, one of my customers, whoever it may be, anybody I run across on my on a day-to-day basis. I try to leave that situation better than when it started. And you know, there's an old adage that I always tell people whenever somebody says something bad about me. I always tell them, if you didn't hear it out of my mouth, there's a pretty damn good chance it didn't happen. And I have a particular family member at the moment that I'm not gonna name any names. I'm not gonna say who it is. We can even say it's from an extended family. This is family member X, okay? And this keeps it on the down low. It doesn't piss this family member off any more than they already are pissed off for whatever goddamn reason it is. But I'm going to call this family member a cancer to society. That's what I'm going to call this family member, he or she, whoever it may be, because I keep having people lash out at me when I haven't said a goddamn word to anybody. And every once in a while I get a nasty message from family member Y or Z because family member X, I know family member X said something to them about me that is 100% false. And, they're going to wake up someday and they're going to realize that they're wrong about everything. And unfortunately, I have to tell my wife all the time about this stuff and tell her, hey, it sucks being right about this, because every time something like this happens, I've already called it out before it happened. And the nastiness just continues. I do a lot of charity work for people. I do a lot of kind things for people. I do a lot of jobs for people. Either take a pay cut on, or I make absolutely no money on. And there's a neighbor of mine. They were this family member's friend, and we went out there to lay the job out. I told them, hey, I'm happy to help you guys out. It was going to be a complete charity job. $0 spent on their end. It was going to be a big, huge job. It was going to be my charity job for this year before the holidays. Well, unfortunately, things got slow for me, and I'm just not in the position at the moment to do this job. And through this family member, I let them know, hey, things got slow for me. I don't have the funds right now. I'm not going to jeopardize my own family and my own funds and my own paying my bills or whatever it may be, because I promised you guys I was going to do this project for you. I'm sorry I can't do it now. Doesn't mean I'm not ever going to do it, but once things pick up, once we get past the holidays, this is a stressful time of year for a business owner. Trying to reconcile things at the end of the year, trying to take care of my family during the holidays. There's lots of expenditures at the end of the year, and I may just send them this video so they know where I'm coming from, because apparently this family member X, I have him blocked because him or her blocked because this family member X decided to start saying nasty stuff. And I told my wife what would happen. I said, yeah, some time will pass and this family member will send you a nasty message, because since I have this family member blocked, my wife will get a message from him because she has the phone number, or this family member has my wife's phone number. So sure as shit, about a week ago, or it might have been a few days ago, she gets a nasty message from family member X, and it has some cut and paste supposedly from this person that I was going to do this charity job for. And that's the last thing I want to hear today. Is for one, it's my wife's and I anniversary today. We're trying to have a good time. We went out for lunch, then we went to Costco and got some stuff. But it hurts me because now I'm the bad guy because it's not like you have angels coming out to your house and offering to do stuff for you at every moment, and that's what I was doing. And I'm sorry that I can't do it right at this moment, so now I'm the devil. I just want to lay this out. This is more me just venting more than anything else, but I'm just going to boil it down and summarize real quick. I'm the bad guy because I offered to do something out of the kindness of my heart for completely free that would cost me thousands of dollars because I liked you guys personally. And then the fact that I can't do it right when I said I could because all of a sudden financially I got burdened. Now I'm the bad guy and you're going to send some nasty messages my way. It's not going to work that way. No good deed goes unpunished, right? And too many people look a gift horse in the mouth and they get offended that I offered something and now I can't follow through. And I'm sorry that I can't. From the bottom of my heart, I'm sorry that I can't do it, okay? But I'm going to quit rambling about this. I just want everybody to know that, whatever you hear about somebody behind the scenes, you need to go to them directly. There's lots of people that I disliked over the years, and I found out none of it was true. They just had a bad reputation for no reason at all. For no reason at all. They had a bad reputation. They ended up being much better people than the people that were accusing them of what they did. So I just want to put that out there, and I'm going to watch my Seahawks game and enjoy the rest of my night. I'm going to wish myself a happy anniversary with my beautiful wife, 6 years today, and enjoy the rest of my day. Thanks for listening if you made it this far.